Matt Chan. I have a question. Do I need a buyer's agent when buying a house? Well, it depends. Having a buyer's agent can help out a lot and can save you a ton of money when buying a house. There are some house hunting experts out there that are very experienced and have bought and sold many properties. They learn very quickly what they want specifically and where to go find it. They also know what areas to negotiate and save money. They often know what towns are cheap and expensive based on the buyer activity. But if you're not very experienced, it is a good idea to have a buyer's agent to do that for you. The first reason to have a buyer's agent when buying a house is that they can help give a sounding board for your mortgages and mortgage costs. They see many mortgage statements and they can offer advice to what is normal and what is out of line. There's some mortgages and pre-approval letters that can hinder you from winning the house that you want in a competitive bid situation. And when starting out, you want to have that prepared and ready to go ahead of time. Also, knowing the cost of a mortgage can save you money when you have an experienced agent reviewing the closing disclosure. Second reason to have a buyer's agent when buying a house are house renovations and repairs. When buying a house, sometimes different repairs are needed as well as renovations to update the house. Renovations like bathrooms or kitchen remodels could be quite costly. Repairs such as roof repair, windows, hot water tanks, furnaces, all sorts of stuff. It is a good idea to have a buyer's agent to account for all those numbers so you can have an idea of what will be coming and when. Third reason to have a buyer's agent when buying a house is a home valuation. You want an accurate assessment of what other houses are selling for in order to make sure that you're paying a fair price. With a price analysis, I might tell you how much your target property may sell for so you can plan and strategize ahead of time. You don't have to do it alone. Having a buyer's agent is your best protection against bad or broken deals. One of the best ways to overpay on a property is getting into deals without an experienced buyer's agent. An informed buyer is our happiest customer, so get yourself an expert and get yourself a great house. Go and visit my website, mattchan.com. You can find my information there and either chat or meet up. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.